everybody, it's Mariel, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about the unthinkable. The thing nobody wants to talk about or do. Okay, I'm being really dramatic, it's not that deep. I wanted to talk about tearing things out of your beloved sticker books. A lot of people like to have them, exactly the way they came. They don't want to change it up. But I found for me to be the most productive, there are certain things that I need out of the books and on their own. For example, I wanted all of Kristen's handwriting clear words so that I didn't have to flip through the multiple books to find her writing. Because a lot of times I like to use it consistently on my page. So I went through all my sticker books and I pulled out her lettering. And then I just added a binder clip and some chipboard. And now I've got my own little personal book. This was before they came out with the handwriting book. I like to think that I had something to do with that. No, I'm just kidding. But that is, now I can use both books in combination. But I love having this instead of having to flip through my books. Because what happens for me is when I'm flipping through books to find the right sticker, now that I've got, hundreds, I can't look through every single book. I don't have time for that. And it's just not productive use of my time. So having these out is fantastic for me. I did the same thing with these. I took all of the different little symbols and put them in their own book so that way, whenever I need, an arrow or something to highlight, I've got them all right here. I need to add some chipboard to this, but I also have this and I use them standing up in the storage boxes. Okay, like this. So I have them here in different categories ready to go. And then I can just pop them in, and I'm going to be adding chipboard. I usually alternate chipboard to all of them, and that way I'm ready to go. If you'd like to know where the book came from, I used to write on the back of my sticker sheet. I had it color coded back then, but I would put watercolor flowers, and that was the number of pieces in that book, so that if I ran low on a specific sheet, I would know where that came from. So you could write it on the back if you feel like, what if I run out and then I don't remember what book it's from and I want to get more. You can easily do that. It's gotten to the point for me where there's so many stickers and they're always making more that I'm like, I don't need to know where it came from. So I have stopped writing on the back of them. So what am I going to do now? I pulled all of these books, and as I am, planning, I might find more, but I pulled these books so that I can look for colorful boxes. I have these set aside. And what I'm doing here, let's just use this one as an example. A lot of times I'll notice when I'm planning, I'll come across like these. And I might need an orange box. The standard colorful boxes book doesn't have orange. It's got, these same colors. But a lot of the customized books have different color boxes. I won't remember to go back to this 30 sheet sticker book to find this. So I'm going to make a colorful boxes little binder clip book for myself, like this one. All right, so here we go. Are you ready? I know. People are like, don't do it. I'm like, no, again, this isn't productive for me to go and try to look for them. So look, ta-da. One down, a whole bunch more to go. And I'm just going to that's all I want. Oh, there's more. I'm just going to pull colorful boxes out. So let's see what we've got here. These two are colorful. Make sure there's nothing else. Yep, so I'm just going to pop these out. My book still stays intact. It's fine. And again, I'm only looking for those type of boxes. I might create a second book with, where are they? Like different shapes. That might be something I'm going to do. Or these kind of like to do and today ones. But for now, I'm just looking for boxes. So like all these, I'm going to go ahead and pull these out because I just won't remember that they're here. Alrighty. I'll go do it. I'll get at it. I'm going to get at all these books. Another one that I think people find, they're in so many books. But a lot of times also these. Whoa, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Sorry. A lot of times you'll find them in these. And you wouldn't remember that these are in here. I think I'm going to add those to my icons. But these. I mean, you won't remember, oh, there's a yellow box. It's in that Joann's. At least I won't. So I'm going to get at it and let's see what I create. Okay, I did it. Alrighty, I've got now a nice, thick little book of colorful boxes. I actually decided to go back and add circles. I added anything I would use as a colorful box because a colorful box is just something that I consider that I need to write something in, so just to set it apart. So yes, there's boxes, but I also included circles, those shapes, and banners. And now I've got a custom little book, so whenever I need to find a box or something to write in, I can just go to this instead of flipping through all of these books to find the sticker I want. So for me, this makes it more productive. And I mean, honestly, if you don't want to tear your sticker books apart, that's okay too. This is just one way that I feel more productive, and it's faster and easier for me to find the sticker that I need. With all these sticker books, it just makes sense for me. And while I was at it, I went ahead and added to my little kind of icon stickers, went through and grabbed all of the additional ones and flags. So now I've got both of these ready to go in my planning. So let me know in the comments, have you ever torn a sticker book apart? Did you regret it? Did you love it? Did it help you? I'm really curious to hear what you guys think. So if you like this video, or if you're terrified that I ripped sticker books apart, I'm just kidding. Like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.